In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename a list in Brevo. We'll guide you through this simple process, step by step, making sure you not only complete the task with ease, but also understand how to navigate around the Brevo platform more effectively. To start, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to the Brevo website. Once there, log into your account using your usual credentials. If you find yourself on the home page or a different landing page, you'll need to guide yourself to the Contacts section of your Brevo account. This is where you'll manage all your lists and much more. Now, within the Contacts section, you should see a submenu at the top or side of your screen. From this submenu, you'll want to select Lists. Clicking here will bring up all the lists currently associated with your Brevo account, and it's where you'll spend most of your time, making sure everything is up to date and well organized. Once you've clicked on Lists, take a moment to locate the specific list you need to rename. It's a good idea to have the name or a key detail of the list in mind before starting so you can spot it quickly. Once you find the list in question, direct your attention to the right side or next to the list's name. There should be a three-dot menu icon, often referred to as an ellipsis. Clicking on this ellipsis will reveal a drop-down menu. Here, you'll select the option titled List Settings. It's straightforward from this point, but let's go through it thoroughly to ensure you're on the right track. Now that you're in the List Settings page, you'll see the current name of the list available for editing. Simply click on the name, make the necessary changes, and type in what you would like the list to be called. Once you've updated the name to your satisfaction, your next move is crucial to save all your hard work. Look for the Save or Update button, usually situated towards the bottom of the page. Clicking this will lock in your changes, updating the list's name as you've specified. And there you have it, a newly renamed list in your Brevo account. This process not only helps in better identifying your lists in the future, but also streamlines your project management by ensuring everything is clearly labeled. Whether you're handling multiple clients, campaigns, or both, being organized is key. I hope this helps you manage your Brevo lists more effectively and keeps everything structured just the way you want it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials.